Did you know that China just deployed its first humanoid police robot, and it's already on patrol? While much of the world is still testing humanoid bots behind closed doors, China has taken it to the streets. This new police robot is stationed at subway stations and busy public hubs, equipped with facial recognition, thermal imaging, voice command systems, and AI-driven behavior analysis. It identifies potential threats, interacts with the public, and communicates with human officers in real time. This is no pilot test. It's a working law enforcement tool on active duty. And it's just the tip of the iceberg. China might be building the most advanced humanoid robots in the world right now. Faster, cheaper, and more powerful than anything coming out of the West. Let's break it down. In this video, we're going to explore China's most cutting-edge humanoid robots. From research bots to industrial workhorses, and even domestic assistants that can cook, clean, and pour your wine. If you're into robotics, AI, or the future of human-machine collaboration, you're going to want to see this. First up, Unitree's G1. You've probably seen the viral clips. This compact humanoid sparring in a boxing match, flipping over, getting knocked down, and bouncing right back up. And here's the kicker. It starts at just $16,000. At 132 centimeters tall, about 4.3 feet, and weighing only 35 kilograms, or about 77 pounds, the G1 punches well above its weight class. It offers up to 43 degrees of freedom in its high-end versions, and even features oversized joint movement for flexibility that closely mimics human motion. Whether it's walking, running, or throwing a solid jab with a boxing glove, this bot shows off next-gen balance and agility. And the hands? You get options: 3-finger or fully articulated 5-finger variants, capable of tasks like soldering electronics or flipping food in a pan. Driving this performance is a hybrid force position control system and reinforcement learning-powered AI. It even supports Unitree's Unformed large language model, enabling higher-order adaptability and customizable development. This bot isn't just physical, it's smart, nimble, and programmable. The G1 stands out for being one of the most affordable, agile humanoids on the market, with advanced physical dexterity under $20K, a price point unmatched by competitors. Now let's talk home robots. Meet the Astribot S1. Built by Stardust Intelligence, this humanoid isn't just about looking futuristic. It's designed to cook dinner, clean your house, and shave a cucumber. Yes, really. Each of its arms can lift 10 kilograms, about 22 pounds, and execute tasks with surgical precision. Think flipping a pan, making tea, or delicately pulling a tablecloth out from under glassware without breaking a thing. With 7 degrees of freedom per arm, movement here is smooth, precise, and deeply intuitive. The S1 can hit speeds of up to 10 meters per second, with movement repeatability of just 0.3 millimeters. Powered by Stardust's AI engine, it listens, responds to your voice commands, and personalizes routines, cooking, cleaning, and even pet care. It's 5 feet 8 inches, loaded with safety sensors, and comes with user-friendly setup tools that make it plug-and-play ready for real homes, not just labs. The S1 is one of the fastest and most precise home assistant robots, optimized for real domestic use with motion accuracy typically reserved for industrial machines. From domestic to industrial, we have the Kepler K2 by Shanghai Kepler Robotics. This is an enterprise-grade humanoid designed for manufacturing, logistics, and high-risk environments. It comes equipped with 52 degrees of freedom and 11 per hand, giving it the dexterity to handle fragile glassware or tighten bolts in high-load environments. Each hand can carry 15 kilograms, about 33 pounds, and the proprietary planetary roller screw actuators generate a whopping 8,000 N of thrust. Translation: this thing is strong, stable, and repeatable, down to 0.3 millimeter of precision. It uses cloud-based AI, imitation learning, and reinforcement learning to evolve on the job. And the tactile sensors on its fingertips, 96 contact points each, offer human-like feedback for adaptive manipulation. The K2 is tailored for high-load industrial applications with unmatched torque, force output, and tactile manipulation, making it a powerhouse in heavy-duty manufacturing. Now, here's a standout. Engine AI's PMO-1, lightweight, dynamic, open source. This 138 centimeters tall robot weighs around 40 kilograms, or about 88 pounds, but carries a massive punch in mobility and neural intelligence. With a 320-degree waist rotation, PMO-1 can perform movements most humanoids simply can't. It walks naturally thanks to end-to-end neural networks and adversarial training based on motion capture data. Think deep learning from thousands of hours of human locomotion. On board, it runs dual chips, Intel N97 and NVIDIA Jetson Orin, for real-time performance. It's sensor-rich, too, with Intel RealSense depth cameras, directional stereo speakers, and interactive displays that respond with human-like timing. PMO-1 leads the way in open-source neural training and agile mobility, allowing advanced developers to experiment with natural movement at an affordable research scale. Let's scale up. Uptech's Walker S1 is a 172 centimeters tall humanoid robot weighing 76 kilograms, about 167 pounds, and it's built to thrive on factory floors. With 15 kilograms load capacity per arm, about 33 pounds, real-time task planning via LLMs, and visual SLAM-powered navigation, this robot adapts to dynamic industrial environments. Its AI backbone gives it end-to-end motion control, stable bipedal walking, even on uneven terrain, and the durability to work 24/7. Already deployed at BYD, Foxconn, and Audi, it's tightening screws, inspecting AC systems, and sorting packages. At BYD's Shenzhen plant, Walker S1 increased sorting efficiency by 120%. That's a real-world impact. Walker S1 is built for real-world factory integration and already proven at scale, making it one of the most battle-tested humanoids in global industrial environments. Here comes something magical. MagicBot by Magic Lab. Launched in late 2023, this robot's got 42 degrees of freedom, precision hands with 6 servo actuators, and can replicate 70% of human gestures. Each arm lifts up to 20 kilograms, about 44 pounds, for a combined lifting capacity of 40 kilograms, about 88 pounds. It runs for up to 5 hours on one charge. It's not just walking. It's doing acrobatics, folding laundry, scanning barcodes, and even doing magic tricks. Already active in factories, MagicBots work in synchronized teams, passing materials with millimeter accuracy. That's collaborative robotics, taken to the next level. MagicBot excels at collaborative, multi-robot teamwork, making it ideal for precision factory work that requires coordination between multiple intelligent units. Now, this is wild. XPeng Iron, developed by XPeng Robotics, a branch of XPeng Motors, takes EV-level AI and slaps it into a humanoid robot. Iron is 5 feet 8 inches, weighs about 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, and has 60 joints with 200 degrees of freedom. Each hand gets 22 degrees of freedom with miniature servos. and it can even detect a paperclip from 5 meters away, thanks to XPeng's 720 degrees Eagle Eye vision system. Powered by a custom Turing AI chip capable of 3,000 trillion operations per second, Iron is processing 30 billion parameter models in real time. It's already deployed in XPeng's own auto factories, reducing production time by 12% while collaborating with AGVs through their custom BrainET protocol. Sci-fi? No. Real-life productivity. Kepler Iron is unrivaled in its sensor suite and proprietary chip power, delivering EV-grade autonomy and perception in humanoid form. Let's round it out with Robotics D9, their first full-size bipedal humanoid. Standing at 170 centimeters and weighing 65 kilograms, about 143 pounds, this bot handles 20 kilograms per arm, about 44 pounds, and walks at a solid 4.4 miles per hour. It can handle stairs, slopes, and noisy workspaces thanks to advanced visual semantic mapping. The D9 builds out 3D real-time maps of its environment for path planning and positional accuracy, essential for crowded service spaces like hotels or hospitals. And while the D9 is impressive, Pudu's Flashbot arm deserves an honorable mention. It's a semi-humanoid delivery robot with articulated arms, LiDAR, panoramic vision, pressure-sensitive skin, and LLM-powered task automation. It can deliver coffee and open a door with the same arm. The D9 is uniquely positioned for public-facing service environments, offering low-noise, human-safe operation with high navigation intelligence in hospitality and healthcare. So what are we witnessing here? Not just robotics progress, but a national-scale push in China to dominate embodied AI. These humanoids aren't science fiction anymore. They're flipping pancakes, working on factory floors, and performing surgical-level precision tasks in real-world conditions. China's remarkable progress in humanoid robotics is no accident. The government is heavily investing in AI and robotics as strategic national priorities. With deep integration into manufacturing and logistics, companies like UBTech and Unitree Robotics are producing robots at scale. UBTech alone has received over 500 orders and projects, 2,000 deliveries by the end of 2025. Events like China's humanoid robot half marathon and robots like Tiangong, running it in under 3 hours, show just how serious and far-reaching this development is. And here's what might be the real game changer: affordability. The Unitree G1 retails around $16,000 in China. In the US, tariffs and logistics drive that price up to about $40,000. That kind of pricing difference is creating a massive advantage for China's robot makers. Compared to the US, which leads in AI algorithms and research, China is gaining the upper hand in production, hardware deployment, and real-world integration. The global robotics race is no longer about potential, it's about execution, and China is showing up with speed, scale, and strategy. Which robot blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the rise of intelligent machines.